It's time for another Adventures of Little Trucks.
Hey! Jose!
No.
Yeah! I just need another one. Amigo, you've had too many. The fuck, I haven't had too many. I'm just barely getting started.
I'm not going to serve you any more margaritas.
Well, you know what? Fine, fuck you. If you're not going to, I'm going to make everybody pay. Hi, Sprinkles. No, wait. Come on, you probably should have put it in reverse, Terry. Mom! That wasn't really my mom. It was more my grandma. And she's on!
Oh my god, I need a drink.